Hey everyone, it's Diego with Mossy Ford Mobile Service. Today we'll be going to a customer's house to work on his brake issue. We might be replacing calipers or we might be replacing brake pads. So just stay tuned and hope to see you soon.
We'll check the tire pressure, we'll check the tire tread depth, and we'll check the brake pad thickness and see if we see anything obvious, you know, any issues with any of the tires or brakes or anything like that. All right. Front brakes 10mm. This, you probably already know, but we're just checking the pad thickness. All right, you know, take a quick look at the shocks and stuff like that, see if we see anything leaking or anything loose or hanging down or any kind of like fluid or anything like that around the wheels or the calipers. Okay, yeah, they're all the brake pads are 10mm, so that's good.
25 miles.
Yeah. That looks good.
Hey, my name's Stransky. I have actually called these guys to help me come check out my brakes. They were sticking. I kind of work on my car in the meantime usually. So I got it up and I was noticing that one of my calipers went bad, and I was thinking, well, I'd rather not get it towed because that would be a big hassle, and I'd rather, you know, have this done here since I've already got it up in the air. So I found out that these guys did this kind of stuff, and I went ahead and called them up, and so far they've been really, really great. Just talking through what we're gonna be doing and what I want, you know, to make sure that everything gets fixed.